Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to show variance by color symbols in Excel. So for this, we'll go in Excel workbook. In the first column, we are having zone. In second column, the actual sales in this zone. In third column, the targeted sales. Now we will calculate the variance of this two. So B2 minus C2. Double click here. Now we want to represent this variance with the help of color symbols, which is up arrow and down arrow. So how to do this? Click on this cell, right click here, format cells, customs. You will have to write a very small syntax here. When the variance is positive, it will be indicated by the green color up arrow. And when it is negative, it will be indicated by a red color down arrow. So let's start writing the syntax. Square bracket, green, close the bracket, write down 0, double inverted commas. Now use numpad and press Alt 30, Alt 30. You will get the up arrow. Now close the double inverted commas, semicolon, square bracket, red, close the square bracket, again 0, activate the double inverted commas. Now press Alt 31 for down arrow. Close the double inverted commas, semicolon, again double inverted commas, and write down nil. Now press OK. It's done. Now just simply double click here and it's done. So wherever the variance is positive, it is indicated by up arrow of green color, and wherever the variance is negative, it is indicated by down arrow green color. So this is how you can show variance by color symbols in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I uploaded tutorials on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Link given in the description.